775, let's go. So in the data by system, in the pig tile data section, down in this section, pig RGBA, we made a mistake right with this A glyph. This A glyph, we forgot the ask, we've added it, we fixed this line. Then if we go down here, we have this pig symbol lookup table. We've added a lookup table that takes the channel index and converts it to a 8x8 glyph representing red, green, blue, or alpha, 0, 1, 2, or 3 inclusively. We already have the lookup table that serializes the digit to the correct 8x8 graphic, and then we have some error checking here, and then down here in the pig tile function section in the glyph stamping code that we've been working on, we have a little diagram. You can go look at that on your own time. Error checking inputs. We want to make sure that the selection region is exactly 128 by 128 pixels, and then down here we have some variable declarations. This is our leftmost digit, tens place, ones place, stamping what matters. There's 3 things that matters to us, indexed at 0, 1, or 2 inclusively. And this is matters X and Y, the pixel local, bounded by MX0 and MX1 on the X, bounded by MY0, MY1 on the Y, and MGX, MGY is the global version of MX, MY. Okay, so this is bullshit. This is what we actually want. Bmap 8x8, a 8x8 binary bitmap, and we are going to shorten these lookup tables. So this is the lookup table to serialize a glyph. Serialize a digit, serialize a color channel. Okay, what are my 2 digits? We're going to do the math to figure out the tens place and the ones place, respectively. And then we're going to loop through everything that matters to us. So the first thing that matters to us is the tens place digit. So this is the bitmap for the tens place. We'll stamp it in another video. The next thing that matters to us is the bitmap for the ones place. So we'll get that bitmap, we'll stamp it in another video, and then the next thing that matters to us is the color channel glyph, which we're going to use by putting the color channel in and getting the bitmap out. We'll do some more logic here, and then otherwise we have a fucking error. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go through what matters to us X, Y in scanline order. That's why the Y is on the outside, and this is the local pixel index of the glyph we're trying to serialize on the actual CuteBot selection area region that was inputted to the function. So I'll do some more stuff here. We're out of time. That's basically it. So what we did previously, and then some other stuff and some other stuff. And if you want a... Oh, wait, we're fucking out of time.